Do you want to make delicious vegan kimchi at home? It's cheap, easy, and oh so tasty. Kimchi was my first taste of real fermented foods and I loved it. Now let's make our own and let's make it British style. You can get any of these ingredients from the UK supermarket. Start with one smallish head of Chinese leaf cut into 1-2-inch chunks. Mix with about 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, add the finely sliced carrots and radish, and now put a plate on top of it and press down and leave for about 2 hours. In a blender, add garlic cloves, 40 grams of fresh ginger, 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a couple of chilies, 1 tablespoon of miso paste, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. You might want to have seaweed and a splash of soy sauce, and add also a little bit of salt water or brine or just water. Now blend. Now smother the veg with the paste and make sure everything is totally covered. Pack the kimchi tightly into a Kilner jar. Make sure there are no air bubbles. I'm going to put a little bit of a pebble on top, but you don't need it. Taste check after 2 days, and when it's done, store it in the fridge. And there you have it, quick, easy and cheap vegan kimchi. Enjoy the taste of fermented goodness. Thank you for watching. Follow for more easy and fun recipes and health tips. See you next time. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.